Hello, my name is Norma Edith García-González, and I am the first woman to serve as a director of LA County Parks and Recreation. And I want to invite all girls from 11 to 18 years of age to register for this year's LA County Parks I Matter Girls Empowerment Conference. Last year, over 1,200 girls attended our conference, but due to COVID-19, our conference will be virtual, which means more programming and more opportunities for our young girls across the county to participate. The entire month of October will be filled with incredible speakers, workshops, and virtual programming, all for free and right from your home computer. Each week, we'll have a theme: women in government, sports, in business, entertainment, and celebrating the centennial of the 19th Amendment, the woman's right to vote. We have much in store for you. Register today.